Good morning, happy December 16th, and it's Jack today who wants to help us. So we're looking for this one, hot cocoa. Oh, Sage is not to be outdone. All right, what do we got today? Oh, 14th came off. We got the Hearts Pistachio. I like this one. That one is really delicious. Now I have 3 cats swimming like little sharks. Right here, Sage, we need this one. This one's always like, what side? I can't see what side it opens on. Maybe this side. There we go. Oh my God, how's Danny? So many cats. It is a snowman again. I think we've had this like a couple times. Here, Sage, will you shut this window for Sage? You shut that window for me. Jack will? Nobody? All right. Really, at this point, does anyone even care what I get in my advent calendar? It's all about the cats. The cats that I deal with all the time. This one's already been opened. Pretty sure you guys opened it. Did you steal the treat out? No, you didn't. How did I get that? Would you get that for me, Jack, please? I can't reach it. So it's apple. Okay, you guys, it's what you've been waiting for. Let me go grab your calendar that I have hidden. No fighting when I'm gone. No fighting. Oh, look at this. They know what I've got. Sage, I'm coming to you. You don't need to jump. You know what I've got. All right, so today, I know you can't read numbers yet, but I'm working on it. This is 16 right here. Right here. So let me, oh good. It's fishies. Those are easy. So, let's see, let me cut this open when you're distracted. Nope, that distraction lasted 2 seconds. Come on, Jack. I gotta be able to get this open. Here. There you go, Jack, right there. One for you. And then Sage, one for you. Nutmeg, there you go. Let me move those scissors. That nutmeg, right there, right there. And then let me grab the rest before you guys get them. I see Sally. I gotta get some for everyone. Hold on. Jack, I might have a spare for you. Hold on. Okay, you can have one more because you've been such a good boy. No, not that one. Sally, do you want a treat? Oh, you do. You do want a treat. And where'd Danny? Danny, come here. Danny, okay. Danny, I'm chasing you. Don't you want a treat? I know you want a treat. Yes, you do. No, that was Danny's. Sally, you had yours. Now I have to find Honey and Felix. Before I find the other 2 cats, kind of need to put this away because he's like, I'm going to open another day. Okay, you guys, enough. We got to get this to last. I'm done. Go play. Go terrorize the house. Like, oh, there's Felix. Felix, I got a treat for you now. He won't take it from my hand. But hopefully, if I put it on the ground, he will eat it. It's a treat, Felix. You eat it. Uh-oh. No. Snooze, you lose. All right, let's try this again. Felix, eat it from my hand, please. He's the little... Ow. Who's this that just bit me? That was Sally. Okay, guys. Felix, come on. Okay, I'm going to hold you better hurry up because I can only hold back the beast for so long. Oh my God, Felix. You're going to lose it. You lost it. All right, I guess Felix is not a treat cat. Sorry, Felix. Sally, are you going to apologize for biting me? Oh, don't fall. Oh, I know you didn't mean to. You just got excited. Look at these 3 beasts. So these black kitties are up for adoption. I love them, but they need a forever home. They're all so sweet. Yes, you are. Day 16 is right here. Where is the opening? On this side. All right. Ooh, it is the Jack in the Box. For everyone feeling bad about Felix, his feelings are not hurt, but I will find him a separate treat. Oops, did that scare you? You're the one who jumped on the table, Jack. Jack, hang the, what's that called? Isn't this called like a Jack in the Box? Jack, hang the Jack in the Box. All right. Merry Christmas. Jack, say bye. Say bye to the camera. Jack, say bye to everyone. No, that doesn't mean you get to bite me.